Hey friends, if you wish to fix sihost.exe unknown hard error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane and open the elevated command prompt window. Now in the elevated command prompt window, type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. The next solution is a DISM scan, but we will ignore that because we will start with the third one, which is an SFC scan. It's similar to that, but more effective in this particular situation. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to uninstall recently installed faulty updates. Now, how would we do this? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options and in the right pane, select update history. Then select uninstall updates. Click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again to uninstall the latest update. If all of this fails, then you can perform a system restore on your system. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and select recovery. And then click on open system restore. And then you have a recommended restore point, but you can choose a different one. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next once again and then click on finish. And this will initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.